going to be doing an oil change on my car. Got the new oil filter. That's the part number PF64. That's the particular oil we're going to use. Be just fine. It's got that little label on it. Got my funnel. Get some better flowage. Just undo that. Car's up on a jack on the side. And then I have a jack stand. Just let it drain out for a bit. Important not to over tighten these. Sam's the one that always likes to make the mess. Pull off these oil filters. I like to use these. You can get these at Walmart for a few dollars. They're not very expensive. Drain out a bit. There we go. Sure your seal's there. Now what I like to do on these, so I'm doing this myself, I always put the information there in Sharpie. Surface is nice and clean. So the manual says that full capacity is 4.2 quarts. I'm going to put 3.5 in, just to be on the safe side, then we'll recheck it. About 2 quarts in so far. There's 1.5. So I'm going to take the car off jacks, and then once everything's level, I'll check it on the dipstick and add more as needed. Car's off the jack, our wheel chock's out of the back. Looks like we're right about there, almost to where we should be. But I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up because I'm fine with that level. We'll let it run for about 5 seconds, 10 seconds maybe. Shut it off, check the level again, and add a little bit more till the top. That's good enough. Yeah, so it looks like we're gonna take about, let's say about 1/2 quart. Right where it should be. We're good. Okay, switch it over to oil, hold that down. There you go. That's it. That's how you change the oil on one of these. It's really not too bad.